Next, you'll take what you've learned and create some artwork. To start, you'll draw a hand giving the thumbs up, which combines curves and corners. Then you'll edit the paths using a few new tools and techniques. This section has more steps than a normal section, so take your time as you practice with the shape and use the template guides provided. So choose 7 from your artboard. Select the pen tool. Make sure the fill color is none, stroke 4, so on and so forth. This time we want the stroke color to be blue, and we want the stroke to be, the weight to be 6, so it is different. Alright, click the blue square labeled A right here, and that sets your starting anchor point. Hold down the shift and click B to make a straight line. Move the pointer over point B again, and when it changes to the little like that, we're going to drag away from the point to the red dot to create a new direction line. And then we create a direction line because the next part of the path has a slight curve. You're going to click point C to make that slight curve. Click point D to make a straight line. The next part of the path needs to be curve. Can you guess what to do next? Click there. Oop, nope, 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 nope. Oh, don't do that. Don't do like I did. Don't do that. I'm just messing with y'all. Move the pointer over D again, and we're going to change that. Remember how we changed that? So then after you do that, you'll drag away to the red. No. Little curve. Notice that your red dot is faint here. Go down to F and then G. Then I'm going to hold down the shift key, go to H, get that, and then we're going to go over to this. Oh, 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 don't, oh, oh, oh. Instead of me talking you through this and doing it, go ahead and do the things that we've been doing and finish this hand. Once you have finished your hand, let's go to fill and fill it with white. Let's hang on. Mine's not selected anymore. Never mind. Don't fill anything. I'm just gonna do nothing but mess mine up. At this point, this lesson has some things about deleting anchor points that we're not going to do that for now. But let's select the direct selection tool and select this rectangle on the left over here. Select the upper left corner. In the Properties panel, we're going to click the Convert button and convert selected anchor points to smooth. Select the lower left one and hang on, we didn't select the lower left one. So there. Now you'll fix up the two corners you just rounded so they'll look better with the direct selection tool selected. Move the pointer over the path between the two anchor points you just rounded. When you got the little circle, half circle thing or quarter circle, begin dragging that to the right to change the curve of the path. As you drag, press the Shift key. Get it to look something like that. And then choose Select, Deselect. The anchor point tool is another way to convert anchor points between smooth and corner points. With this tool, you can convert anchor points as you did in the previous section, but you can adjust the path width at the same time. So with your direct selection tool, select the point. Select this point right here. Press and hold the pen tool in the toolbar till you see the anchor point tool. We want to select the anchor point tool. Move the pointer over the point over here. Ooh. And if you drag, you can reshape the curve. So let's make this thumb a little more rounded, like something like that. Once you get all of that like you want it, select Deselect, View, Fit All in Window. So you should have all of these things. So when you turn this in, I should see a yellow crown here, another crown that's a different color. You should have that house, that house. You should have made some weird shape here. This one, this. You should have your little worm here, this worm here, waves here, this here, two sails, your little rat, and then your hand. All right. Once you've done all of those, save it and turn it in.